From the Channel 4 News. I am in Nepal, where people and families have been affected by a devastating earthquake this morning. It seems there was an earthquake measuring nearly a magnitude of 7.9 on the Richter scale. If you look around me, you can see nearly everything has been destroyed. Cars have overturned in the streets, buildings have been crushed. Suddenly, everything around us has collapsed. I understand, as seismometer, the instruments used to record the shaking of the ground during an earthquake, tells us there may have been lots of smaller earthquakes around here, meaning an earthquake as big as this would have been expected. As we know, no one can really predict exactly when an earthquake can happen, but there was no warning from the governor or scientists. My goodness, I think now we're getting some aftershocks happening, which comes as no surprise. Sir, are you okay? What happened?
Sir, I don't have idea. I was riding to my work and the air goes, I don't know, I really am confused.
Nothing is sure anymore since the earthquake. People cannot go to school or work. As there is a fear, buildings may collapse. There is a shortage of medication, food, water, and it seems there is no end in sight for the people of Nepal. People have sent messages of sympathy across the world. Be strong and don't give up hope.
It must be a shock to everyone who have lost their lives and dreams.
Я желаю всем, чтобы вы вернулись в ваш дом и встретить вашу семью. Желаю вам здоровья.
No se rindan y tengan fe.
Nicolas reporting from Channel 4 News.